Hello friends, as we are into a very big crisis because of this COVID-19, and we are into the second wave. So it is very important that we stay safe as much as possible. Stay at home, and if you are very important work and if you are going out, so wear your mask, keep yourself sanitized, and when you come home, please wash your hands and your legs, keep it cleansed as much as possible so that we can fight this pandemic together. So now we have come to a situation where it is a survival of the fittest. So we need to keep ourselves fit. Even if you are staying at home, please practice, please work out, keep your cardiovascular system stronger so that we can fight this pandemic together. So today I'm going to show you all some fast feet footwork, fast feet cardio exercises that we can use it anywhere at home. So which is very simple but very effective cardio system. It is very good to strengthen our cardiovascular system. So let's start.
First exercise we are going to do is shuttle run, straight shuttle run. We have 3 core cups. We have to go first one, return back, and to the second one and return back. So this will be doing with correct posture, with maintaining the same speed for the entire at least 25 rounds for starting. Second exercise is the side lateral, same shuttle run. We'll be doing one from the left side and one from the right side. That will be 25 rounds. Maintaining the same posture and balance throughout. Third one is weave or zigzag front and backwards. This is very good for your footwork movements. Maintaining the same zigzag movements with proper slide and keeping the distance between both legs throughout the exercise. We are using tire, which is unstable, that will improve our mobility and balance. Fifth exercise is split jump on the tires with proper hand and leg coordination, maintaining the same speed throughout the exercise. Minimum of 50 to 60 reps. Sixth exercise is straight jumps. This will improve the mobility and balance. So by practicing all the tire workouts, minimum of 50 to 60 reps of 2 or more 3 sets.